What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video today. She's eating Pokey. By the way, that show was good. I don't know if you guys messed with Pokey like that, but pretty bomb. But we're gonna be, this is like part 2 of the last video you guys seen. So we're gonna be installing the rear piece to the HPD kit, or to the bumper. In order to do this, which you guys can't really see, we need to take off the rear bumper, because we're gonna have to drill right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, which shouldn't be too hard, so I've seen, but nothing's ever easy when installing car parts. So we're gonna start with taking the rear bumper off. It should be pretty easy. You just want to take out this clip here. Well, you guys can't really see it. Take out this clip, that clip, and then peel it back so you can get to the tail light, because you are gonna have to take your tail lights off in order to take the whole bumper off. So we're gonna start by doing that. So once you take those couple of screws out, you really only need the 3. That's the 2 here and the 1 on the top. You kind of want to peel it back a little bit, and then you want to take like this little weather stripping, I guess this is, off. Just kind of want to just get a flathead in there and just don't pry it, but kind of like move it around to loosen it up, which I can show you guys in a second. Just like that, it's off. So once you kind of get those off, there's a little 2 screws here, like 2 Phillips screws there, and then this is holding the bumper together. So you want to take these 2 off and then rip the whole thing out, just so you can get to here. So when you guys take the 2 screws off, it's pretty much going to be loose, but it's not going to come out all the way. So there's 2 clips that hold it inside, the 2 little white clips. Sorry.
Gray.
Both of these.
They're gray. 2 little gray
clips right here that can hold it together. So easiest way that I see people take it apart was grab your pliers and pretty much just pinch the end of it, and then it'll come out. So pretty much got it out. Now you just have to take all the plugs out. So some plug away and set it aside. So once you pretty much get both tails off, you want to, oh shoot, this one's all messed up. Well, that's not supposed to be like that, but it's supposed to go under and release it. Okay, we got the 2 screws off. I got these 2 off as well on the other side. But there's a little like screw that's kind of like in a weird angle. So if you kind of put your hand right between where the 2 bumpers meet, you can feel it. So you want to take it off, and then we're gonna pretty much pry everything wide open. So just gotta get the other side now. So like I mentioned, when you pretty much get it off, you want to pry these up. By the way, I did not do that, so don't roast me in the comments for that. That was not me. But you want to pry them up, and then it'll release the bumper. So I'm gonna do it one by one on each side. And quick little promo, if you guys are wondering what shirt I'm wearing, you just gotta head to the link down below. Go cop yourself one so we can build the Type R and the SI. Yeah, if you guys want to support any of the builds, just go cop yourself a shirt or a sticker down below, and it'll help a lot. Alright, so the bumper's off. Got it over here now. Now we just gotta figure out where I'm gonna drill those holes to put the OEM lip and everything in here. Once you have the lip next to the bumper, it's kind of pretty easy. All you really want to do is drill 3 different or there's actually more than 3, but you're gonna do 1 here. There's gonna be 3 on the top. You want to do 1 in the middle, 3 on the edge, and 1 on the end over there.
It's pretty easy, just copy whatever's on here.
Exactly. So I'm assuming these have to go all the way in the bumper, right?
Yep.
So I gotta make something that's big enough for those. Cool. Got my handy dandy drill bits.
And my handy dandy Nancy.
Doesn't that make you nervous?
What?
Drilling into a bumper?
No.
You know they make these LED?
What are those?
They're just little, they're just red.
Little minter hiccup. Little minter hiccup.
We're gonna go get our own drill, so we're not using somebody else's drill. The other one died on us, so.
Yep. And we figured we always need a drill.
We never need a drill. Ever.
I like to drill holes in the wall for fun.
We never, ever need a drill.
I always need a drill. To hang my squishmallows, to hang my cups. It's me, I do that. So we're just gonna get a cheap one that works, because I don't have that.
Okay, we're finally back in business. Just got a drill, and we can finish up what we're doing. So, if you insist.
Why?
Well, we're gonna get a smaller one then. Go get a smaller thing then.
You get it.
Okay, we pretty much got all the holes drilled out. I'm trying to see if these, like the little ones that we drilled out on here, are gonna come through the bumper. So that's what we're hoping for. Here you go.
Okay.
So yeah, pretty much once you screw it on there, it's gonna pretty much glue itself in together. Just like so.
Yeah. Easy peasy.
Yeah, this was a lot easier than the freaking side skirts. Only because I kind of knew what I was doing.
And because you had me there.
Only because I knew what I was doing.
And because you had me there.
So pretty much we got the whole entire thing on now. Like I said, pretty easy. So now all we gotta do is put it back on the car and see how it looks on the car.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Wait, does this go over or under?
What?
I'm confused.
So the
I think I did this right.
it's on there now. It's very subtle, not really in your face. You can see the HPD kit, HPD logo there. Like I said, it just adds a little nice touch, and it matches the trunk too, so that's a plus. So we're just assembling everything back together, and we'll show you guys the final result.
Got a letter.
And while we're here, we're gonna be installing these last fit reverse lights.
Are you gonna put it in a different video though?
No, put it all together. Same Juan. Oh, they sent us a bunch of stickers too. So to replace these ones while we have it out, turn it, take it out. Want to pop it out just like so. I would eat it, but it is glass, so we're not gonna do that here. Here to take these ones out, you pretty much just twist it and turn it. Everything's gonna be in the link down below, so pretty much just want to put it in like so. And there's only you can do it either way, just like that.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Let's put it back in there.
And
Twist it. Just like so. So I got all the hazards on. Oh, I forgot. They're actually pretty bright during the daylight too. So that's those ones. Now we just gotta do the reverse lights, which are in there as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. Yeah, it's gotta take everything off pretty much. All these easy little clips that you can't really see because it's dark. But yeah, you wanna take them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
you can count.
Show you guys the before and after. Those are the befores.
And it should just come off. Okay. Eee! That twist off. Yeet.
Don't use it.
Ow. You're gonna get these ones. You're gonna open it. You open it. Excuse my dirty hands. Ow. And then you put it inside. You wanna let them see? And then you click it, right?
Mhm.
I don't fucking know. Look how dirty my hands are.
You want to plug it in. and
Damn!
Go in the car. So here is the aftermarket, or the original one. And here's the one that Lostfoot provides. White as hell, yellow as hell. So we're gonna change those as well.
Them badly. I'm gonna show them again. Whoa. Look at the difference.
So we're gonna be replacing this hot ass one that's freaking burning. So disconnect.
It kind of looked like you just pried it, huh? Check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. I mean, you just stick your hand in here and just boop, and it falls down.
And then a boop boop boop.
So.
And a beep beep boop boop chick. Gee, where'd you get that shirt?
Oh, lostminds.co.
Where'd you get that shirt?
You already know.
How can I get that shirt?
You just go to the first link down in the description and you
Oh,
hit,
oh.
and you add the cart, and oh fuck, that's hot.
Yee. Look at somebody's dirty ass trunk. Who's ever. Ooh, oh, that's a big difference. Wow. Alright, guys, again, we're just doing this to show you guys one more time how to do it. So we're gonna take it off again. You know, just to show you guys again, just in case y'all missed it the first time. Yeah, not definitely because Brandon didn't forget to put his side on.
No, my side was on. Oh.
No, he literally did not put his side on, and we put everything. We're like, we're all done, and he's like, what is this?
You know, sometimes.
No, we're doing it twice for them.
Okay, we pretty much got it on. I mean, the whole thing, entire thing is on. Like I said, it's not a very loud thing, but it does complement the wing, which is on there. Which this is not the HPD wing. This is the SI wing that it comes with. So, I mean, it really resembles it, and it gives it a nice little touch right there. So, thumbs up for me. You like it?
Thumbs up for me. Yay! Yay! My wing looks like your wing. They're like almost the same thing.
No, my wing. No way. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, let me turn the lighting. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed this and you guys found this video useful, if you guys have yourself an 11 gen, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, we have the fronts for sale, so if you guys have an 11 gen SI, if it's the Sport, EX, Sedan, SI, whatever it is, it fits it. So if you guys want that one, please comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video up here. I'm gonna try to get this video up for you guys on the same day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys next time. Dab, peace.